Good news! Insta360 is back with its smallest superhero yet, the Insta360 Go Ultra. And thanks to some juicy leaks, we already have a front row seat to what might be one of the most exciting pocket-sized cameras of 2025. Spoiler alert, it's small, it's powerful, and it might just make you wonder why you ever carried a regular camera at all. The first images come courtesy of none other than Roland Quant and WinFuture, reliable leakers who always seem to know what gadgets look like before the companies do. From those shots, we can already see the Go Ultra in two sleek colors. The design, flatter, squarer, and somehow more futuristic than its predecessor, the Go 3S. Think tiny action camera meets minimalist Apple design sketch. Pocket-sized but packed with power. At just 30 by 30 millimeters and weighing 53 grams, the Go Ultra looks ridiculously small. Sure, it's a bit chunkier compared to the Go 3S, but let's be real, it's still small enough to lose between your couch cushions. The squarer design also makes it look flatter, which might actually make it easier to wear, mount, or accidentally mistake for a fancy piece of candy. Please don't. Here's where things get spicy. Insta360 packed in a brand new 1.28-inch sensor. Translation? This thing is a monster compared to the old Go 3S. We're talking double the light capture, meaning better image quality whether you're filming on a sunny beach or trying to vlog in your dimly lit kitchen at midnight while sneaking snacks. Video recording also gets a serious bump, 4K at 60 FPS, a huge leap over the 30 FPS cap of the previous model, add in an ambient light sensor, flow state stabilization, and even a 360-degree horizon lock, and suddenly this pint-sized camera sounds like it's ready to take on a GoPro while fitting in your pocket. And yes, the 156-degree wide field of view basically means your footage will look like you strapped an IMAX camera to your chest. Now here's a trick that deserves applause. Insta360 claims the Go Ultra can charge from 0% to 80% in just 10 minutes. Wired, of course. That's faster than it takes me to decide what to eat for lunch. No more sitting around forever, waiting for your camera to juice up before hitting the skate park, trail, or, let's be honest, just recording your cat doing something hilarious. Accessories and extras. Like its predecessors, the Go Ultra isn't just about the camera itself. It's about how you use it. Expect the usual lineup of mounting accessories, along with a neat optional magnetic attachable viewfinder for those who like framing shots more precisely. Imagine clipping this tiny thing onto your backpack, your hat, or even your dog's collar. Yes, Go Ultra dog POV videos are 100% going to be a thing. The Insta360 Go Ultra looks like a carefully refined evolution of the Go 3S. Smarter design, much better sensor, faster frame rates, and stability tech that keeps your shots looking smooth even when your life isn't. Insta360 clearly wants this camera to go head-to-head with DJI's featherweight offerings, and from what we've seen so far, they're not messing around. The only mystery left? Price and availability. Insta360 is playing that card close to the chest for now. But if they can keep it affordable, the Go Ultra might just become the go-to mini action camera for everyone, from extreme sports junkies to weekend travelers to parents who just want a better way to film their kids' soccer games without carrying a full rig. So, should you start saving? Probably, because if these leaks are anything to go by, the Insta360 Go Ultra is shaping up to be less of a camera and more of a tiny wizard in your pocket, one that shoots in glorious 4K. And honestly, who doesn't want that? Leaker extraordinaire Igor Bogdanov spilled the beans after digging into the patent, and the details are juicy. This thing has not one, but two heat sinks. And get this, they don't even touch each other. Why? Because GoPro's giving each sensor its own VIP cooling treatment. Imagine two sweaty marathon runners finally getting their own personal AC units. But the real genius? The camera mount itself is a heatsink. Yep, the very thing you clip to your helmet or selfie stick is secretly working overtime to keep your footage cool and crispy. It's like your camera's wearing an invisible superhero cape that says, "Not today, overheating." If this works as well as it sounds, it means longer shooting sessions without your GoPro suddenly tapping out like a lazy coworker on Friday afternoon. For action junkies, vloggers, and that one friend who insists on filming everything in 360 degrees, the Max 2 could be a game changer. A few days ago, we saw leaked GoPro Max 2 images and a teaser video. Now, let's break down the exciting details. Thanks to some exciting leaked images from Igor Bogdanov, we're getting a first look at a camera that could seriously shake up the world of 360 action filming. This isn't just a small update. GoPro is bringing powerful new features that have everyone buzzing with excitement. Here's the best part. GoPro officially teased replaceable lenses. If you scratch or crack your lens during a wild adventure, no problem. Just swap it out and keep shooting without missing a beat. That's stress-free filming right there. Plus, the Max 2 has visible cooling vents on the front, which means it can stay cool even during long shooting sessions. Smart move! It might just be your new best friend out there. Forget those weak selfie sticks that wobble and make your videos shaky. The Max 2's grip looks tough and comfortable, like it's been working out and is ready for anything. Maybe it's a supercharged invisible stick, or a handy tool with a built-in battery, or even a tripod all in one. Whatever it is, it's clearly built to handle all your adventures. One leaked photo shows the Max 2 spinning so fast that the background turns into a dizzy swirl. This isn't just a neat effect, it's GoPro showing off some serious tech power, hinting at better stabilization or high-speed 360 capture. Imagine flying down a mountain bike trail or zooming on a roller coaster, but your video stays smooth and clear like butter. No more shaky, headache-making clips, just pure cinematic magic. And here's another cool leak. Someone on a high ropes course, helmet on, harness tight, holding the Max 2 while wearing a GoPro on their helmet. This tells us two things. The Max 2 isn't meant to replace your main camera, it's the perfect sidekick. It's great for catching behind-the-scenes shots, wide views, or fresh angles you didn't even think of. Plus, that same textured grip shows up again, looks like it's part of a new official accessory. Alright, let's get into the tech stuff. The original Max's 2025 update, honestly, kind of boring. Mostly just a shiny touch-up on the 2019 model. But the Max 2? Now that's a whole new level. The big star here is the centered lenses. Why is that important? Because it cleans up those annoying stitching lines in 360 videos, making the invisible selfie stick effect look smooth and flawless, like magic. And get ready for this. The resolution is jumping from 5.6K to a stunning 8K. Maybe even with higher frame rates, so your videos will look crisp and amazing. Especially after DJI's Osmo 360 impressed us with 8K at 30 frames per second for 100 minutes straight without overheating. If GoPro can match or beat that, it's a huge win for creators everywhere. And now, one leaked image shows the Max 2 getting blasted by a fire hose level water spray, probably from a Ford truck. Yeah, it's that intense. This isn't just a splash, it's a total soaking that screams waterproof out of the box. No bulky housing required. With rumored waterproofing of 10 meters or more, this camera laughs in the face of rain, rivers, or accidental cannonballs. Bring it on.